Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable low specification mode on League of Legends. Okay, so when we are in the game, we have to select this option, the settings gear icon in the right upper corner above our nickname. And when we are in the general tab, we have to click on this option. So here we can enable or disable this option, and also we can customize the close client during the game. So we can set it for never, always, or as needed. So we can decide. If you have PC with not the best specification, I can recommend you to close the client during the game as always, and also activate this low specification mode. And when you go over it, on the left side there's notification that pops. You can read about this stuff. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.